In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF function. The SUMIF function is a simple but very useful tool in spreadsheets when you want to add up numbers only if they meet a specific condition. Instead of manually scanning your data and calculating totals yourself, SUMIF lets you do that automatically with one formula. This is especially helpful when you're working with budgets, sales reports, inventory lists, or any table where you need totals based on categories, names, dates, or other criteria. To begin, enter your data into the spreadsheet. Make sure your information is organized clearly in rows and columns. Typically, you'll have one column that contains the condition you want to check, such as a category or label, and another column that contains the numbers you want to add. Keeping your data clean and consistent is important here. For example, if one item is labeled slightly differently from another, the function may treat them as separate values. So before using the formula, take a moment to confirm that the text and numbers are entered correctly. Once your data is in place, select the cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell where the total will be displayed after the formula is entered. It's a good idea to choose a cell outside your main data table so the result is easy to read and doesn't interfere with the rest of your worksheet. Now enter the formula equals sumif, followed by parentheses, like this equals sumifs, open parenthesis, range, comma, criteria, comma, optional sum range, close parenthesis. The range is the group of cells you want Excel or your spreadsheet program to evaluate. The criteria is the condition that must be met. The sum range is the set of numbers you actually want to add. If the numbers to be added are in the same cells being checked, you may not need a separate sum range. But if your condition is in one column and your values are in another, then include it. After entering the formula, press Enter, and the spreadsheet will calculate the total based on your condition. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that your range and sum range are aligned properly and that your criteria matches the data exactly. With a little practice, SUMIF becomes a fast and reliable way to analyze data and save time. It's one of those functions that can make everyday spreadsheet work much easier.